In this video, I will show you how to create the facing for the neck and the armholes with the function copy, element parallel. To create a parallel copy of one element, select the element with the left mouse button. Press the spacebar to type in the values. The system created a parallel copy of the element we just selected on a distance of 2.5 centimeters. With this function, it is also possible to use the multiple selection. Select the function copy element parallel. Now I want to create the facing for both armhole lines and the neck lines in one step. Select all the lines with the right mouse button and confirm the selection with the left mouse button. Press the spacebar to type in the value for the distance. It's the same distance for all the selected elements. Confirm with OK. In the next step, you can trim the lines and you can just trace the lines to get new patterns for the facing.